Alright, happy Friday everybody. So today I would like to give a big thank you to Buzz and Roadkill Customs. We got our banners today. We got a bunch of cool stickers. And I can't wait to plaster them everywhere. And I'm trying to find a place on the truck. So yeah. So speaking of which, I've been busy today doing a little painting. And I am going to put some fenders on this thing here after this video. And we're going to move on. I've got some things painted around back, so after I do this video I'm going to do a little walk around and we're going to bolt some fenders on this. Everything is pretty much blue now, so, and then I will be starting on the bedsides next week, and hopefully I've got my brake parts in, so that's cool. I should be able to do that Sunday. But yeah, once again, Buzz, Roadkill Customs, thank you. If you need anything, man, just give me a holler. You know, I think I'm just a few hours up the road from you, so yeah, just give me a holler anytime. So that's pretty much it for this video. Stay tuned, guys. We got a lot of stuff coming up on the truck. I got some cool things coming in. My carburetor won't be here till July, so I'll wait and make you guys see what I got coming. Something pretty cool, different, and new. It's going to make this thing scream. So stay tuned, guys, and we'll see you here in a little while.